you in your last class. Show me your homework one by one. Yes, Jyoti, Ritu, and Ashish. Show me your homeworks fast. Jyoti, Ritu, and Ashish. Show me your homework.
मैम क्लास अटेंड नहीं की थी.
Okay, Ashish and Kunal. Shantanu, show me your homework, beta. Kunal, am I audible? Yes,
मैम has
Shantanu.
not मैम has not given any work. मैम लास्ट क्लास में पेपर के टाइम पे लगी थी मैम.
Okay, that's fine. No problem. Okay, now, so we are going to revise the tense first of all. Yes. Sakshi. Sakshi, beta, you should wear your koti. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. In next class, just remember for it. Akash, why are you not in the uniform? Yes, Akash. He left the class. Okay.
बेटा वी हैव टोल्ड सो मेनी टाइम चेतना वीडियो क्यों बंद है बेटा आपका रिमूव करने क्लास से आपको चेतना बेटा आप सुनाई नहीं दिया आपको ओके मैम कंटिन्यू करें आप प्लीज
Yes, sir. Thank you. Abid, where is your tie, beta? Abid, where is your tie? Just unmute yourself first of all. और ये कॉलर का भी बटन लगाइए आप. आबिद, कॉलर का बटन लगाइए एंड टेल मी टाई कहाँ है आपकी?
अरे मैम लेके आ रहा हूँ. हम कॉलर का बटन बहुत टाइट है मैम. बटन भेज दिया
लगाइए.
मैम. हम देख रहे हैं
लगाइए.
मैम.
कोई बात नहीं है. नहीं
मैम
होगी प्रॉब्लम.
बहुत
लगाइए
टाइट
आप.
है मैम रियलिटी में मैम.
उसको लूज
दीजिए
करवा
मैम लगेगा ही नहीं पहले
दीजिए.
नंबर से.
चलिए म्यूट
अरे मैम
योरसेल्फ.
शर्ट दूसरी लूंगा ना.
ठीक है, आप परचेज कर लीजिए. क्या आपकी प्रॉब्लम है आप सॉर्ट आउट करिए कैसे भी, लेकिन आपको प्रॉपर यूनिफॉर्म में रहना है जैसे आप लोग स्कूल में आते हैं. कॉलर का बटन लगा होना चाहिए आपका और आपकी टाई भी होनी चाहिए. Okay now. So students, now we are going to start our revision. First of all, Kunika. Kunika, just unmute yourself, beta. Beta, where we use simple present tense. Tell me.
Tell me.
Beta, where we use simple present tense.
Ma'am, simple present tense we use es and s.
Yes, Harshita.
हैबिचुअल एक्शंस के मैम हैबिचुअल
Very
एक्शंस में और यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ के लिए और जो डेली टास्क होते हैं उनमें.
Okay, good. Sakshi. Sakshi, beta, give me one example of universal truth.
Ma'am, the earth revolves around the sun.
Good, beta. Mute yourself. Okay. Now, Radhika. Beta, where we use present continuous tense.
Ma'am, we use present continuous tense to talk about the action which is going on.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to ask some questions to all. Just listen them carefully. Okay. Ritu, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just listen carefully, okay? The sun dash a star and your form is B.
Ma'am,
Is good. Next is Abid. Abid, unmute your mic. Yes. Beta, my question is, I usually dash see beaches in the winter months and form is visit.
Repeat.
I usually dash see beaches in the winter months.
Usually मतलब
And your verb is visit.
Visit. Which date? Visit नहीं.
Tell me fast. Okay, now mute yourself. Kumkum. Abid, mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, give me the answer.
Ma'am, on.
No. Mute yourself. Yes, Jyoti. Jyoti, unmute yourself. Yes, good. Visit. Here present tense क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? Simple present आएगी ना? ठीक है? Simple present tense में हम इसे इसकी फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगी? Visit की visit ही रहेगी क्योंकि ये simple present tense के फॉर्म में है. ठीक है ना? Now my next question is my sister's flight dash at 10:40 tonight and your verb is land. Kunal, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Kunal, unmute your mic. Kunal, am I audible to you or not? Okay. Yes, Shantanu.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, land.
And
Yes, ma'am.
no, your answer is wrong. Mute yourself. Now, Sakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, give me the answer.
Ma'am, my sister's flight वाला.
Yes, sir. Yes, beta.
मैम इसमें लैंड आएगा पीछे एस.
Very good. Lens आएगा. ठीक है? Now, my next question is to Akash. Akash, just show your video, beta. Don't hide your video. Akash. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just listen carefully, okay? I can't hear you. I dash to music. And your verb is listen. Now tell me. What comes here? Tell me fast, Akash.
मैम कुछ दिनों से मैम क्लास नहीं ले रहे हैं मैम. मैम वो
What,
एब्सेंट हो
beta?
जाते थे. तो मैम
Why? Just mute yourself. Okay, Harshita, give me the answer.
Ma'am, I am listening to music.
Yes. And beta, in which form the sentence is here?
Ma'am, continues. Ma'am, present continues.
Very good. Present continuous tense. Okay. Now my next question is to Ritu. Ritu, Sujata dash vegetarian food today and your verb is eat. Tell me.
Ma'am, is eating.
Is eating. Good. Now, my next question is to Gorvi. Gorvi, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just listen carefully. Don't forget your raincoat. It dash and verb is rain.
Ma'am, it's raining.
No. Mute yourself. Wrong. Yogita? Yogita, unmute yourself, beta. Yogita, am I audible to you? Yogita, unmute your mic, beta. Okay, Kumkum. Unmute yourself. Yes. Don't forget your raincoat. It dash and verb is rain.
Rain is.
No. Sakshi, don't talk with someone. Just look in front.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Radhika. Radhika? Yes, beta. Give me the answer. Okay, beta, mute yourself. I think there is network problem with you. No problem. Harshita, give me the answer. Harshita,
Ma'am, it is raining today.
good. It is raining. Now my next question is to Shantanu. Yes, listen carefully, Shantanu. What time dash Ria dash for her dance classes and your verb is go.
मैम what time मैम फिर से बोलिए मैम
What
मैम दो
time
dash हैं
dash Ria dash for her dance classes and your verb is go.
मैम मैम what मैम does आएगा मैम पहले में और मैम दूसरे में मैम go
Very good. Very nice, beta. Now, my next question is, yes. My next question is to Ritu. Ritu, unmute yourself, beta. She dash a bath every evening and your verb is have. She dash verb is have a bath every evening. Tell me, Ritu. Beta, unmute yourself and give me the answer. Don't be hesitate in the class. Just tell me whatever comes in your mind. Yes, Ritu. Tell me, beta. No, not had. Mute yourself. Your answer is wrong. Okay, Kunika. Kunika, tell me.
Ma'am, she has taken.
Beta, your voice is not coming here. Tell me again.
She has taken a bath.
She has take a bath. No, not take. Yes, Jyoti. Jyoti, unmute yourself. Yes, tell me. Yes.
She has taken a bath.
No. Beta, only has will come here, na? She has a bath every evening. Okay. Now my next question is to Sakshi. Yes, Sakshi, unmute yourself. Beta, my question is what dash about the film we just watched and your verb is you and think. Don't look in the book.
मैम फॉर्म क्या थी?
You and think. ये verbs हैं. These are verbs.
मैम I don't know.
Okay. Yes, Radhika. Radhika,
What do you?
what do you?
Ma'am, think.
Good. What do you think? Good, beta. Now, Gauravi. Gauravi, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Beta, my question is, she dash about the incident all the time, and your verb is incidents. Sorry, things. Your verb is things.
Ma'am, can you repeat one again?
Yes, beta, sure. She dash about the incident all the time, and your verb is things.
She think.
No, beta, not think. Yes, Kunal, unmute yourself, Kunal. Kunal, unmute your mic. Kunal, if you are not replying now, then I will remove you from the class. Just unmute yourself and give me the reply. Yes, unmute your mic. It is very bad. Yes, Akash, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give me the answer.
मैम क्वेश्चन दोबारा बोलना मैम.
Why? When I was reading the
वो
question, where are you? When I was reading the question, where were you at that time? Huh? At that time, you was busy in playing with your earphone. It is good. Huh? Don't do these type of activities in the class. Be sincere. Yes. Gauravi. Beta, here answer is things, not think. Okay?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
my next question. My next question is to Jyoti. Jyoti, unmute yourself, beta. Jyoti, unmute your mic. Yes. Beta, my question is dash you dash your lunch and your verb is have. Dash you dash your lunch and your verb is have. Beta, give me the answer fast now. Don't take much time. Okay, Shantanu, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, have you had your lunch?
Good, beta. Now I'm going to say a sentence and you must find the error. Okay? No, not find the error. You only just tell me the correct option. Okay? Now the sentence is Anand has never or ever been on a flight. Just raise your hands fast. Raise your hand fast. Yes. 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 Now, Kunika, tell me. Kunika?
Ever.
No, beta, mute yourself. Here the correct option is never. Okay. Now, my next question is to, have you ever or rarely seen a digital book before this? Raise your hands fast.
Ma'am, tell me again question.
Yes, Kunika, mute yourself, beta. Have you ever or rarely seen a digital book before this? Raise your hands. Okay, Ritu. Ritu, give me the answer.
Ma'am, ever.
Ever. Good, beta. Mute yourself. Now, my next question is, I have known him since or for 6 years now. 6 years now. Raise your hands. Yes, Abid. Abid?
Since. Ma'am, since.
No, beta. Mute yourself.
मैम फॉर आया मैम गलती से निकल गया है मैम.
It's okay. Mute yourself. Right answer is for. Okay, beta? Now, just wait. My next question is to Radhika. Radhika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Just listen carefully. Sucheta dash last night. And your verb is sleep.
Ma'am, was sleeping.
Good. Was sleeping. And why was sleeping is coming here? Tell me, Radhika.
Because this is past continuous tense. Ma'am, because this
Very
is
good.
past continuous tense.
Very good. Because here is a past continuous tense. That's why. Now my next question is to Jyoti. Jyoti, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Aunt Rita dash a head massage. And your verb is get.
Was getting.
What? Yes, tell me again.
Was getting.
Yes, good beta. Was.
getting.
Yes, beta. Was getting is right. Absolutely right. Mute yourself. Now, my next question is, Julie didn't arrive until after I dash leave. Julie didn't arrive until after I dash and the verb is leave. Raise your hands fast. Yes, Sakshi.
Ma'am, answer is had learned.
No, beta. Your verb is leave. Leave.
Ma'am, sorry, had lived.
No, leave. No, beta. Yes. Next is Shantanu. Yes, Shantanu.
Ma'am, had left.
Very good. Had left. Okay, Sakshi. Left. Second form is left. Okay. Now, Kunika. Kunika. Kunika, unmute yourself, beta. Kunika, where are you? Okay. Kumkum, unmute your mic, beta. 。  . 。  . 。 . कुमकुम, ओके, कुनिका, बेटा अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. I think a problem with both. Yes, Harshita. Harshita. Yes, beta. Now my question is, I dashed breakfast when he arrived, and your verb is not or have. Your
Ma'am,
verb is not
can you
and
repeat?
have.
Can you
I
repeat
dash.
one?
Yes, beta. I'm repeating. Just listen. I dash not have breakfast when he arrived, and your verbs are not and have.
I had not.
Yes, good. I had not and I had not. It's not complete.
Ma'am, at.
No, beta, not at. Not at. Yes, anybody else wants to give the answer? Just raise your hand. Jyoti, if you want to give the
Ma'am,
answer, raise your hand by
ma'am,
using the option. Mute your mic. Mute your mics. Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, Harshita?
ma'am, I had not eaten.
No, beta, not eaten. No. Gauravi and Kumkum, your videos are not showing, beta. Your videos are not showing. Yes, Sakshi.
Ma'am,
Give me the answer.
I had not eat breakfast.
No. Had not के साथ eat कैसे आएगा बेटा? No. Yes, Ritu.
I had not had.
Good. I had not had. Now, my next question is, you dash for her when her train arrives tomorrow morning, won't you? And your verb is wait. Your verb is wait. Yes. Kumkum. Mute your mics, beta. Kumkum, give me the answer. Kumkum.
Yes, ma'am.
Mic is on here.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, yes, Kumkum. Tell me. Okay. Network problem with her. Kunika, give me the answer. Kunika. Harshita.
Ma'am, we'll be waiting.
No. Radhika. Radhika, give me the answer.
Ma'am, there is network problem, so I have not listened the question. So please, can you repeat?
Okay, beta, I'm repeating again. You dash for her when her train arrives tomorrow morning, won't you? And your verb is wait.
Ma'am, are waiting.
Beta. Beta, you are talking about tomorrow, na? So it is in the
Future.
Yes.
Ma'am, you will be waiting.
Very good. You will be waiting. First of all, you have to understand that in which type of tense is in the sentence.
मैम हमने
Okay.
will be waiting ही बोला था.
Will be waiting or will waiting?
मैम will be waiting बोला था हमने.
Okay, okay, it's my mistake. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आपने will waiting बोला है. That's why I said. Okay. Both of your answers are correct. Okay, na? Now, next is, I'm going to ask some forms to all of you. Okay. So, I'm going to start with Ritu. Sit properly in the class. Be straight. Ritu, sit straight. Don't give support to your back. Yes, Abid, unmute your mic, beta. Abid. Abid, unmute your mic and tell me what is the second and third form of choose. What is the second and third form of choose?
Choosing or ma'am choose.
No, mute yourself. Yes, Sakshi.
Ma'am, second form is chose, CHOSE, and ma'am, third form is chosen.
Very good, beta. Very nice. Now, next is Gauravi. Gauravi, am I audible to you, beta? Shantanu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Tell me fourth and fifth form of choose.
Ma'am, fourth form, ma'am, choosing.
And fifth?
मम नहीं पता.
Okay. And fifth form is chooses. Okay. Fourth form is choosing and fifth form is chooses, which is in the present tense and singular in number. Okay. Now, my next question is to Jyoti. Yes. Jyoti, beta, tell me what is the second and fourth form? Second and fourth form of eat. Second and fourth form of eat. Unmute yourself and tell me fast.
8, one second form 8, and the fourth form eat.
Fourth form is? Beta, pronounce clearly so that I can listen.
Second form 8 and fourth form eating.
Eating or eaten?
Eating.
Eating, yes, good. Mute yourself. Now, next is, next word is swear. Swear, S-W-E-A-R, swear. Okay. Now, raise your hands fast. Abid and Kumkum, just show your video. Abid and Kumkum. Yes. Radhika. Radhika, tell me, beta.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Harshita, can you tell me, beta? Second and third form of swear.
Ma'am, I also don't know.
Okay. Now I'm telling second and third form. Second form is swore. Okay, S-W-O-R-E. Swore. And the third form is sworn. S-W-O-R-N. Sworn. Okay. These are the second and third form of swear. Is it clear? and fourth form is swearing. Okay. Now, next question is to Kumkum. Unmute yourself, Kumkum. Kumkum, unmute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is the third and fourth form of right? What is the third and fourth form of right?
Ma'am, first from writing.
No. No, beta. Sakshi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, second form is wrote, third form is written, fourth form is writing, and ma'am, fifth form is writes.
Very good, beta. Superb. Very nice. Now, Abid, just show your video. Otherwise, I will remove you from here. It's last. Yes. Now, my next question is to Ritu. Ritu, unmute yourself, beta. Ritu, unmute your mic. Ritu, unmute yourself, beta. It's not good. Yes, Harshita. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.